Today I'll be teaching you guys how we guys can enable chat in Among Us. It's pretty simple. When you open Among Us, you want to click on where it says play. Once you click on play, click on online. So once you click on online, it's going to bring you over here. Now if you want to join a random game and you want to make sure that game has chat enabled, what you need to do is click on find game right below public. Over here where it says chat type, make sure your chat type is on free chat. If it is on quick chat only, make sure to switch it on free chat. Once it's switched to free chat, at the side you will see a green reload button. Click on it and it's going to show you all the game which has the chat enabled. You can join any one of it and you can play Among Us and chat over there. And if you want to host a game where you want to enable chat, you need to click on create game right below host, and over here where it says chat type, make sure it says free chat. If it shows you quick chat, make sure to switch it to free chat. Click and confirm. Once you do that, a game with chat enabled will be begun. So that is how we guys can enable chat in Among Us. If you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.